that expression? Physician, heal thyself? Well, this is furniture refinisher, refinish thy own furniture, I guess. I have had this set of furniture, they're 4 pieces, since I was a child, and they were my parents' bedroom furniture. And you can see here that there's a lot of nicks, and mostly the varnish is coming off, but the frame and the rest of them are actually in pretty good shape. Now, I recently just redid the top on this one. So those are the first 2 pieces. Nightstand like that one that I have downstairs, and then this is the big dresser. It used to have a big mirror on it, but I sold that. I also sold the double bed that went with this. So if it were up to me, I would completely refinish this and give it a nice light stain and some new hardware. But oddly enough, my husband and my son, whose 2 rooms it's in primarily, really like it. So I just decided to take this weekend to refinish all the tops. So I have this mostly sanded down. I didn't want to move it all the way down outside because it's a behemoth. And the reality is most of this came off with a carbide scraper. So I am using a sander in a bedroom, which is odd, I admit, but it comes off pretty quickly, and I've got the vacuum right here. So redoing those tops is a surprise for my family. They're all out of town right now, and I'll let you know how it goes. Fun fact about this furniture. My mother, who was kind of a cleaning fanatic, she used to have all of these little boxes of costume jewelry in these drawers. She's been gone for quite a while now, and she used to pay me $0.25 to organize them. So I'd put all the silver colored ones together and all the gold colored ones and then all the jeweled ones or whatever, and I would get $0.25 for that, and I always enjoyed doing that, and she always seemed to appreciate it.